Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So this presentation is about my industrial training at University Malaysia Perlis, or known as UNIMAP. So my name is Irfan Zikry bin Irwan Effendi. I am from class RAS1136D, and my supervisor's name, which is Dr. Hafizah binti Syukur. Okay, so this is about a little bit of information for my industrial training place, which is UNIMAP. So UNIMAP is established on 35 July 2001, and then it is located in the north of the peninsula of the Malaysia. And then UNIMAP has distributed campus with 30 locations across Perlis. So for UNIMAP, it is headed by the current Vice Chancellor, which is Yang Berbahagia Lieutenant Colonel Professor Tan Sri Dr. Tariman Saol. And actually for the aim for the UNIMAP aim is to implement an academic administration that is professional, competent and efficient, and places great importance on continuous improvement so that it will be more competitive on the world stage. Okay, so we move on with the next slide, which is about my position. For me as a trainee during my industrial training. So for my position, I work as a lab assistant to my lab partner, which is, his name is Rhyme. So I help him with his project in producing a DOP solution. And then after that, we also make a membrane, and then we do a lot of analysis to the membrane to identify about the properties and get all of the data for the membrane. Other than that, I also have been assigned by my supervisor, which is Dr. Hafizah. I have been assigned by her in helping her with to make a sample for wastewater treatment process. Okay, so for this slide is about the task that I need to do during my internship, which known as my industrial training. So for the first task, which is I need to prepare the DOP solution. So DOP solution is a type of thermodynamically stable polymer. So in order to produce this kind of DOP solution, I need polysulfan, I need PEG, and also I need DMAC solution. So for instrument, I need hot plate, I need magnetic stirrer, conical flask, and then the beaker. So after this DOP solution has been done, I can continue with my second task, which is to cast this DOP solution to form into a layer of the membrane. So I need a casting machine for this process. I begin by putting the DOP solution into the casting knife, and then I set up the casting machine according to the suitable forward and the reverse speed, so that the layer of the membrane can be cast smoothly. Or otherwise, if the forward speed is too fast, they will produce kind of hole at the surface of the layer of the membrane. So it need to be set up the forward and reverse speed according to the suitable speed. After that, after the casting process have been done for all the type of the membrane, I continue with the analysis process by doing the analysis for the membrane. So for example, what analysis that I do, which are ultrafiltration dead end system unit, UV spectroscopy, and then I'll also do the HPLC analysis, and then lastly I do the FTIR analysis. Beside that, I also do the porosity and contact angle analysis. And then after the all analysis have been done, which is for my last task, I need to do the wastewater treatment process, so which I help with my supervisor with this to produce the sample for this wastewater treatment process. Okay, so actually there are a lot of kind of experience that I get from this industry training. So these are some of the example that what kind of experience that I get. So for the first one, which is I able to produce sample solution, so I get to learn on how to produce the sample solution which I have never been experienced before. So I would like to say thanks to my supervisor, which she give me the opportunity in order to do this kind of task, which is to produce a sample solution. This is a very valuable knowledge to me, which is the new knowledge. And then for the second kind of experience, which is I learned on how to handle the machine. For example of the machine, which is a casting knife, UV spectroscopy, and then I also get to learn about the HPLC machine. Other than that, I get to learn about the FTIR machine. And then for the third one, which is about the ability to work as a team. So during this industry training, I think that I really get a lot of experience and the spirit to work as a team with my lab partner. So we really get a lot of new things that we share during the industry training. So I really learn about the ability to work as a team. And for the fourth one, which is the learn to be more focused and determined on work. So what that I get from the training is about to being more focused about what work that I need to do. So I learn about to be more focused about what tasks that I need to be done. For example, I need to do the solution, so I need to focus on that and to do it the correct way and in the determined way. So for the last one, which is the I learn to be more punctual in the finishing work. So there are a lot of things that I need to be done on that time. So I think that this really taught me about how to be more punctual. So this is a really valuable lesson to me that I can use later on while me working in industry. mentioned, there are many new and valuable knowledge that I get from this 12 week of my industrial training at the Unimap. So it really helped me to get me to be more independent, discipline myself in order to learn to work as a team, and train me into have the ability in order to solve any problem that may be appear during me working in industry later on. So from this, I get to learn by facing all of these obstacles during in the workplace. It will be very beneficial for me during working in the industry later on. Other than that, I am very lucky, and also I am very grateful to get such a supportive supervisor, and then also my supportive lab partner, and get my industrial training to be done smoothly. So I think there are a lot of things that I really gained from this industrial training, and I really hope that I can use all the valuable lesson that I get for me to use during me working in the industry later on. So that's all. Thank you.